How to activate your fifth third bank debit or credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through on how to activate your fifth third bank's debit or credit card in just a few easy steps. First off, you can just go ahead and receive your card, and when it arrives in your mail, you can sign the back for the security reason. Then you have a few simple ways to go and activate it. First one is to visit the online site 53.com, where you'll have an option to activate your card right away. Just log into your online banking account, then go to the manage card account, and after you've done that, you should be able to find the section to select your new card and activate it. The second option is the mobile app. You can open up the Fifth Third mobile banking app, sign into it, tap on your new card on the home screen, and then simply select activate card. Or you could also do a phone call, so call the number listed on the sticker that's attached to your card, or follow the automated prompts. You can also find these kind of numbers here online, and once you have done that, your card will be activated, and once activated, your card is ready to use right away for any purchases, ATM withdrawals, or online shopping. And that's it. It's a quick, secure, and done in a very few simple steps. I hope this video helped you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.